Okay, good morning again. This is my second video of the day. Once again, it is the 9th of April. The 9th of April. This is video, I believe, number 10. Okay, I've got to go back and I got to name these. Um, by the way, if you're having trouble viewing these, let me know. Um, Somebody said that there was a beeping sound or something. That could be one of my grandfather clocks. I mean, they can get kind of loud. Other than that, I don't know what it was. Okay, but keep me abreast of that. How these are, how you're viewing these. Okay. Uh, I showed you the agenda today. It was students will be able to calculate percentage markups and discounts. Remember, markup is usually when a company wants to profit. They they pay $10 for something, they charge 15. Okay, that's how they stay in business. The discount is, well, maybe something's not selling. Okay, so they want to discount it to whet our appetites, huh? They want us to reconsider purchasing something, so they discount it. They mark it down. A sweater might be $50, and they mark it down 20%. Okay, they mark it down to a lower price, and usually the cash register does all the work. Okay, does all the math. What you want to be able to do though is make sure they're doing it correctly. Okay, um, math keeps us safe, huh? Math keeps us safe. Believe me, there's a lot of mistakes in the industry. Okay, banking and grocery stores and the whole retail business. Okay, here in the states, um, things are mistakes are made, and not to be cynical, but most of the time it's in favor of the business, okay, or the lending institution. I don't know why, but I'm not a programmer. Anyway, we're looking at this little problem that, by the way, is on the sheet. It's on the worksheet, and that once again is station 34. Okay, station 34. Um, it says on here, it says skis at Jake's Sports Store are on sale for $476. If the original price was $560, what discount rate does this represent? Okay, pretty easy. Okay, the original price was, let's see, $560. Okay, well, what did it come down to? It came down to, let's see, they brought it down to $476. They discounted it, they marked it down to $476. Okay, so let's see, the discount would be this minus this, or $84. That's the discount. All right. But what they're asking for is, what is the discount rate? Now, the discount rate is going to be the percent. The discount rate is going to be the percent, not the decimal. Okay. And they're not talking about this discount. Okay. They want to know the discount rate. All right. Rate, ratio, relationship between two numbers. Well, it's going to be $84 over. Now, this is the important part. What did we start with? Did we start with 476 or did we start with 560? We started with 560, right? Let's see. We started with 560. Okay, put that in your calculator. You're going to get 0.15, which is not the answer. You got to change this to a percent. So it's 15%. Not so hard, right? Not so hard. It's just, I can't tell you how many people put 84 over 476 and they'll get the wrong answer. Okay? Now, I'm going to forewarn you that number 4, 10, and 15 are tough. They're really tricky. Okay? You've got to use algebra. Okay? You've got to use algebra. This right here, I might call this pre-algebra. Okay? I mean, basically we're just using arithmetic, right? But 4, 10, and what was the other one? 15. You got to use algebra. Okay, you got to use variables. All right, try those. Next video, probably next week, I can go over those with you. Okay, do as many as you can. Come on, be adventurous. Let's see. Before I end this. Now we did say, let's see, invest. Let's see, I don't know if I have any here that go the other way, you know, where someone's actually charging you money. Let's see. Next video. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of hourly wages increased. There's markups and there's discounts. Try them. Okay, I want to go back to number 9 on the compound interest sheet, which I believe was maybe station 32. Okay. Well, anyway, it's the compound interest. It's really a tough worksheet. Let's look at number 9. Number 9 and number 10, I think I wrote you in an email. You don't have to do, okay? It's high school math. It introduces something that we never talked about. I think I might have mentioned it in class. But you've got to use logarithms, okay? Now, don't be afraid of logarithms. They're really handy. They can really help. If I told you, okay, x squared is 16, okay, you know that, well, x is going to be 4 or negative 4, right? It could be negative 4 too, to give you 16, all right? But what if I said 16, or 4, I should say, 4 to what power gives me 16? Okay, well, we can look at this and we know it's 2, right? Okay, so finding the x value as an exponent, it can be difficult. It can be really difficult. And Sir Isaac Newton and Fuqua, I'm trying to remember the French gentleman, but the two of them came up with this notion of logarithms. It's a great idea. It's just ingenious. It's a way to find out what an unknown exponent is, okay, an unknown power. Up until now, we didn't talk about that. But number 9 and number 10 do. So I'm just going to quickly, not going to spend a lot of time on this. Number 9, it says, okay, there's an investment of $61.39. Let's start with the formula. Okay. And I'm saying this is the formula for continuous interest. Okay. All right. Not it's compounded continuously. have to use this formula. All right, so they give us what they ended up with. The principal is 6139. We've got that magic number E, and then we've got R, because they want to know the interest rate. R is an unknown. T, it says 17 years. Okay? All right, how are we going to do this? Well, to make it easy for ourselves, let's get this number over here. That's 1, right? Okay. And we're left with this. Let's make it, okay, 17R. Okay, so this number is some ugly decimal, right? But here's the fascinating part. We're just going to bring this down. There's something called logarithms. Okay, there are common logarithms, there are natural logarithms. Okay, you can go online. Khan Academy has a introduction to logarithms. I strongly recommend that. I think I sent some of you a link for that, but Khan Academy, Introduction to Logarithms. Okay? But here's what I would do. I would take natural log. Now, natural log is L of n. That's how you pronounce that, L of n. On both sides. Okay? I'm leaving this alone. Here's the magic. I can put this 17R, this is the power property of logarithms. I can put this in front. Okay, see I just moved that in front? Okay, there's a proof for it. We won't get into that. Once you're in high school, maybe your teacher will prove that for you. But anyway, here's what's so cool about it. L of n is 1. So I'm left with this. I put this in my calculator, this big, ugly ln on your calculator, ln of 8624.9 divided by 6139. You got to put this in parentheses. Then divide that by 17, and I believe the rate is 2%. The rate is 2%. Now remember, the cool part is you can put 2%. You could put 0.02 in here, and you'll get this answer. Okay. Now, I told you I wasn't going to spend a lot of time on that. That's for you adventurous types that I don't know. You want to learn something new? Terrific. I would not even attempt this if you're having trouble with the other problems. Okay, let me say that again. Don't even attempt this 9 and 10. Okay, if you're struggling with the other problems. Okay, see what you can do with, let's see, this new one, Station 34. Your names are in there. You guys are in business a lot. You guys are investing a lot. Hope you have fun with it. Okay? And once again, hey, if it's not fun, if you can't use it, it's just a game. All right, take care of yourselves. All right?